Hello there, boys and girls. Welcome to our Lesson 9 phonics lesson, where we're going to learn about S blends and review the short E. Let's go ahead and get started. Boys and girls, you remember from Foundations that our short E sound is eh. Say that with me with our letter keyword sounds. E, ed, eh. Let's see if we can drag that sound out. Watch me while I use our poster. Eh. You try it with me. Eh. Good job. Let's go ahead and practice reading some words with those short E sounds. Look at that first word. You tap it out and then I'll tap it with you. I see r-e-d, red. Try the second word. I see d-e-k, deck. Let's move on to the third one. I see ch-e-k, check. Now read that final word. I see it says sh-e-l, shell. Boys and girls, we were able to read all of those short vowel or short E words, even the ones that had digraphs and bonus letters. We're going to add something new now. We're going to learn about S blends and see if we can read some words with S blends and with short E sounds. Here are some examples of S blends. An S blend is when I have two letters sitting next to each other. They're both consonants. The first one is an S, so I'll be able to hear both sounds those consonants make. Let's look at this first one. I see SC. When I see the S blend SC, it says sk, like in the word scale. SK makes that same sound, like in the word sky. In this box, I have SL, like in the word slipper. In this box, I have the letters SM, like in the word smile. Here I have SN, like in the word sneaker. Here's SP, like in the word spider. Here I have an ST, like at the beginning of the word star. And here is SW, like at the beginning of the word swan. Let's see if we can find some words that have both S blends and short E sounds. So boys and girls, we're going to sort some pictures. We're going to look and see which of these pictures at the bottom of my screen have an S blend only, or have a short E only, or have both an S blend and a short E. Let's check them out. My first word is sled. Does the word sled have an S blend? Let's see. It starts with s. Ooh, I hear an S blend. Does it have a short E? Sled. It sure does. Let's go ahead and move that into my both column. Sled has an S blend and a short E. Next, I see a picture of some pets. Does the word pet have an S blend? Pet. Nope, no S blend there. Does it have a short E? Pet. It sure does. I'll move it into the short E column. Next, I see a stop sign. Does the word stop have an S blend? Let's listen to the beginning. St, stop. It sure does. Does the word stop have a short E sound? Stop. I hear a short O sound in the middle. We'll go ahead and move this to the S blends column. Next, I see a stem of a flower. Stem. Does the word stem have an S blend? I hear st. Does the word stem have a short E sound? Stem. It does. The word stem has both. Let's move that into the both column. Our final word is check. Check. Does the word check have an S blend? Nope. Does the word check have a short E sound? It sure does. Let's move check into the short E column. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and get a little practice in. I'm going to say a word. You can use your fingers to tap it out. And then I want you to go ahead and try to write that word on your Foundations whiteboards or Foundations dry erase paper. And then you can check your answer against mine. The first word is step. You can go up on the step. Step. Let's tap it with our fingers. S-t-e-p. Step. Go ahead and write the word step. Now I'm going to write it while I tap it so you can check your answer. S-t-e-p. Step. I see an S blend at the beginning and my short E right in the middle. Let's do another word. The next word is speck. I saw a speck of dust. Speck. Let's tap it. S-p-e-k. Speck. You go ahead and write it and then check in with me when you're done. Again, that word is speck. Okay, go ahead and check yours against mine. I'm going to tap it out as I write it. S-p-e-k. I hear a k at the end of a short vowel word. I better use my digraph. C-K. So I have my blend, sp, my short E, and my digraph, k, speck. Let's do one more. The final word I want you to write is the word sled. We rode a sled in the snow. Sled. Let's tap it. S-l-e-d. Sled. You go ahead and write the word sled and check in with me when you're done. I'm going to go ahead and write the word sled and tap it as I do. S-l-e-d. Sled. I have my S blend at the beginning, s-l, and my short E sound in the middle, sled. Okay, and that's all, folks. Have a great rest of the day, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.